Good morning, guys. How are you? Good morning. I hope you guys are all doing well. I am actually on my way to school as usual. So I'm just getting ready to head out. Oh man, I don't even have time to make my tea this morning, but that's okay. I'm going to go get my cup of tea at Tim Hortons this morning. I hope you guys are having a great morning so far. House is quiet, everybody's sleeping. Oh, let me get my coat. Everybody is knocked out. Oh, I'll throw this sweater off. Got my shoes. Got my purse. Trying to make sure I don't forget anything else. Okay. It's like a blizzard outside today. I hope you guys are all having a good day today. Put on my shoes. I need to go get some proper booties. I don't feel like wearing my winter boots today. Everybody will be back to school on a Monday, which is, and oh, I got this new body butter stuff. Oh gosh, it is so good. It smells so good. I picked it up yesterday when I went to the mall. My husband knows that Bath and Body Works, one of my weak spot. I love fragrance, so that's always something I love. Bath and Body Works. Me, I love me some body lotion. I love me some body spray. Okay, gotta make sure your hands is nice and moist. Okay, all right. Where is the car keys? Got my keys. I am ready to go, guys. I am ready to go. We're heading out. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. Look at all this snow. This is just crazy. Well, it's that time of the year. It's our first official snowfall. Fully. Snow fell yesterday, but not as much as it did right now. It's a lot. Got a lot of snow. Oh, the car is still warm. My husband, car is still warm. My husband just not too long got in from work, so and the car is nice and warm, which is so the car is still warm. My husband just not too long got in from work, so which is good. It's not that bad. So got a nice warm car, but I'm gonna give it a little bit of air freshener. I love the smell of this air freshener that we bought. Huh? I love that nice, the car smelling nice and clean. So spray that bad boy up in here and I'm ready to go. I love that the car smells good. So I'll be picking up my youngest one today because she had her sleepover, so I hope she enjoyed that. But I know she did. She didn't even call me to say, Mom, you know I'm doing good. So I know she had a good night. So I'll be getting her later. But knowing her, she'll probably be like, can I sleep over? Can I stay? Okay guys, let's get going. Okay. Cool. been, let me see, a while since I've driven in snow. Oh my goodness, outside is all white. Holy moly. And they didn't even shovel our driveway. There's actually somebody that comes and take care of that. Oh. And this is the first year my husband's actually driving in snow, but well, it's a good thing he was a good driver back home, so he didn't have that to worry about. So he's able to drive okay through it, but he's like, boy babes, the roads are slippery real bad. But I'm glad, like last year when he came, I actually pushed him out there and said, okay babes, you're gonna sink, you're gonna swim or sink. So he pretty much had to swim, right? That's how you teach somebody. And he came up in the dead of winter, so I had to basically just get him in the car, get him comfortable on driving on the right side, because in Jamaica we drive on the left. And I just said, hey, well, it's either you're gonna swim or sink. So he ended up doing good, but he didn't fully end up finish driving until almost the end. So, but he still got the hang of it, which was nice. So now he's okay with actually driving in the winter time. But this car that we have is not a four-wheel drive, which kind of sucks. It's a front wheel. Yeah, I think it's front wheel drive. So, but it is what it is. But yeah, guys, I will get back to you later. I am here at my college. This is what it looks like. I gotta go find where I'm going. I gotta go call my girlfriend. I don't know where the heck to go. Everybody's just lost. Back outside, walking into the other building. Oh Lord, that's the joys about this thing. Yeah, I gotta walk from one place to another like it. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. finished and everything went smooth, which was nice. Found out a lot of information today, and yeah, which was pretty good. Oh, I love those indigenous indigenous people. It was so nice just hearing their culture, their music. And it's so crazy because my kids are also part indigenous, and they don't really know nothing about that side of like their culture, which that's something that I need to do, actually get them to know their side of cultures as well, because they're from the Métis tribe. Yeah, I should actually get them involved, but ooh, I need to turn up this heat. Well, at least the snow stopped. It's kind of cold outside, but it's not too bad, not too bad. So I'm just gonna go hang out with my girlfriend. She has some new furniture coming, so I'm gonna go help her move out her old bedroom set and get her stuff inside. Move her stuff and move some stuff around for her. So going to go do that now, and yeah, just do a few errands. Nothing too much. I hope you guys are having a good day. I wish the sun was shining, but it's not, but that's okay. We're just gonna do what we have. Okay guys, so I will talk to you when I have reached my destination. Bye. So I finally just reached home from being out all day with my girlfriend. So yeah, long day. Ooh. So I just wanted to come and tell you guys that I am home. Oh, it is cold outside. The temperature is dropping. My husband's still sleeping, so that's the reason for me whispering, guys. Good morning and Happy New Year. It is January 2nd, and I just wanted to come by and say good morning, guys. I hope you are having a wonderful New Year so far. Hopefully it's been blessed so far. Ours has been good, can't complain. So I just not too long